Today I would love to introduce to you the beautiful art of Tai Chi, why I have fallen in love with it and what it could do for you in your life. So Tai Chi is a moving meditation arising from the martial art culture of China. I'm here in the Wudang Mountains of China, where here for thousands of years, practitioners have come to cultivate their Qi, their energy. And with Tai Chi, I'm moving with the breath, moving with the breath. And so Tai Chi has three core elements. It's movement, it's mindfulness, and then it's also the breath, so nervous system mastery. It's amazing what all of those elements combine to help you develop three things. As Master Gu says, Tai Chi is powerful, peaceful, and beautiful. So powerful, it's a martial art. So here I'm pulling somebody's arm, pwah, and then stabbing them in the throat. And what I'm learning here, or what I'm doing, is the 28 form. And I've been learning this for 9 years now, and it's a love affair with this form. I continue to deepen my relationship with it. And so all the moves, they come from the martial art culture. So powerful. Then peaceful, Tai Chi is a moving meditation. So eventually, even though it took you months to learn, your body begins to do all of these moves by itself without any need for conscious control. And it's a really, really beautiful experience to eventually just be in the flow state. Tai Chi is a great thing you can do in nature by yourself. And then beautiful. See, the problem I see with so many people of why they don't move more is because they judge themselves. And for me, the deeper teaching for Tai Chi beyond the form is the presence that we develop. Can you move with total acceptance? That's the deeper teaching. The form is less important. And enjoying moving yourself no matter your stiffness, your fitness, your age. Another beautiful thing is balance and strength. I had 7 injuries when I first started Tai Chi. And I was 22 at the time. I was like, come on, I'm 22. Surely I should have less injuries in this. So you do need strong legs, and you do develop strong legs from this practice. Another element, and I've learned with Master Gu in the Wudang Mountains, is the more, what you could say, spiritual aspect of it, which is to connect with the mystery of life. See, I was disembodied, I was in my head, I was anxious. I didn't really want to learn Tai Chi, but I knew I was anxious and not feeling very good. So I was like, hey, I'll try it. And that's when I fell in love with it, because I came out of my head and I got into my body. And this is so important for all of us, to have some way of getting out of the head and into the body. And something interesting happens when we get out of the head and into the body, is that we begin to connect with the mystery of life, the mystery of awareness, the mystery that we're even here right now, thinking, feeling. And so I'll do the rest of the form in silence now. And I hope you can be with me. So I hope you got a flavor for what Tai Chi can do for you in your life. We've got loads of movement here on the YouTube channel. If you want to keep exploring with me, sending blessings for your Tai Chi journey. It's a wonderful world that you're considering entering into.